Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to log on Instagram if you forgot your password. If you have forgotten your password and now you want to log in your Instagram account, so you just have to follow these steps. First, open your Instagram app, and here you just have to tap on forgot password, tap on it. After that, you have to enter your email, username or your phone number. As I have entered, so now tap on continue, and after that Instagram will send you a code on your phone number as I have gotten, so just enter code here. As you can see, I have entered my code. Now tap on continue, and here you have to choose your profile. I'm going to choose my account. Now you have to enter new password. As you can see, I have entered my password. Now tap on continue, and here you have to confirm your password, and then you'll successfully log into your account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.